In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become Clickup verified in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a Clickup novice eager to learn the ropes or a seasoned user looking to officially validate your skills, getting verified on Clickup can unlock new possibilities and recognition for your project management prowess. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the steps to achieve this valuable certification. First things first, we need to start at the beginning, which means heading over to the world's favorite starting point, Google. Open your preferred web browser and type www.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you're ready to take the first true step on your journey to becoming Clickup verified. Once you're on Google, your next move is to search for Clickup University. Why, you might ask? Clickup University is the official platform designed by Clickup to help users like you and me learn everything there is to know about the tool, from the basics of task management to the nitty-gritty of advanced features. Type Clickup University into the search bar and hit enter. You'll be presented with a list of results, among which you'll find the official Clickup University page. Now here's where things get exciting. Navigate through your search results and click on the link to Clickup University. This will take you directly to their learning platform, where you're about to embark on a journey that not only enhances your project management skills, but also gets you that coveted verification. With Clickup University now open in front of you, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. If you already have a Clickup account, you can use your existing credentials to log in. If not, no worries, you'll have the opportunity to create a new account during this process. Signing in is essential as it tracks your progress through the course and ultimately verifies your completion. At this point, you're signed in and standing at the gates of knowledge. Your next mission is to complete the required training modules and quizzes. Clickup University is structured to guide you through learning modules that are both informative and engaging, covering every inch of the Clickup ecosystem. From creating tasks to optimizing workflows, these modules have been crafted to ensure you become a Clickup maestro. And of course, what's learning without a little testing? The quizzes are designed to reinforce your understanding and ensure you're ready to apply your newfound knowledge in real-world scenarios. As you work your way through these modules and quizzes, remember a few key tips. First, take your time. While we're all about getting you verified in 5 minutes of video time, the actual learning takes as long as necessary for you to comfortably grasp the concepts. Second, make the most of the resources provided. Clickup University is rich with videos, articles, and hands-on exercises designed to cater to all learning styles. And finally, don't hesitate to revisit modules you find challenging. Repetition is often the key to mastery. Once you've completed the required training modules and successfully passed the quizzes, congratulations are in order. You're now officially Clickup verified. This accomplishment not only signifies your competence in using Clickup, but also highlights your dedication to improving your project management skills. Getting verified on Clickup opens doors to a community of like-minded individuals and professionals who share your passion for efficiency and productivity. Wear your badge proudly and let it serve as a testament to your hard work and dedication to continuous learning. Remember, the journey of learning never truly ends. Keep exploring Clickup University and the many resources it offers to further deepen your expertise and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of project management. Happy learning, and here's to your success as a Clickup verified pro.